Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava phone guys Wi-Fi setting, and today we will title guys how to connect Wi-Fi with QR code. Friends, you want to connect Wi-Fi network with QR code on your Lava mobile. So friends, how to connect Wi-Fi network in this video friends we will talk about one by one, step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Lava phone setting. After Lava phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Lava mobile. So friends, click on Lava mobile Wi-Fi setting and enable your Wi-Fi. And this phone friends, I have connected one network already. So where we will scan this QR code. So I open phone setting, and guys on your Lava mobile guys, scroll it. Friends, click here this icon, scanner icon. Friends, click here. As you can see, scan QR code, join Wi-Fi network with QR code. Friends, you want to join any Wi-Fi network with QR code, so friends scan QR code. So when this network friends I have, so I will share network from here, share option, and guys we will scan QR code on Lava mobile. So friends, scan this QR code on your Lava mobile. After scan friends, you can see automatic Wi-Fi network will connect on Lava mobile, and easily friends we can use this network on Lava mobile. Friends, you can see Wi-Fi network has connected. So like that friends, you can connect Wi-Fi network with QR code. So friends, you can connect Wi-Fi network with QR code and you can use it. So like that friends, we can pair Wi-Fi network with QR code on Lava mobile friends. And you want to on YouTube app, you can on YouTube app. So friends, I will on YouTube app. Friends, you can see I can use YouTube app also. I don't have friends mobile network, but friends I have connected Wi-Fi and I can use it. So like that friends, we can connect Wi-Fi network with QR code on now mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubts, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.